Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made my grilled fish using tilapia. As you can see in the video, the fish is already washed and then ready to grill. So here I used a clean kitchen paper to wipe off the water to dry the fish so that the seasoning can be able to stay on it without it getting out of the body. On the screen here, I've mixed my ingredients already. That was done outside camera. And then on the screen there, all the ingredients have been listed below. Those are the stuff that I mixed in here. And after that, I added lemon juice. After the lemon juice, I stir it a bit and then add a little bit of water. After that, I stir until it looks very smooth. And then the next stage was me adding olive oil to the paste and stir again until I get to the paste level I liked. And then I used a brush to brush the paste on each of the fish. And then after that, I laid my air fryer in. I laid my air fryer using foil because I don't want to start washing after filming this. So I turned on the air fryer to let the fish cook for about 18 minutes. I didn't leave it to go for the 18 minutes because I had to stop it when it was around 7 minutes left to see if it is cooking really well. So I had to open it, then sprayed the fish with olive oil so that the seasoning won't just start burning. The whole process took me about 25 minutes, which was okay. And then the fish came out really nice when I ate it. My daughter loved it and it was yummy in my mouth as well. Lovely people, thank you all for watching this video to the end. I appreciate you all. If you are just seeing my channel for the first time, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell so that you can see my next video. Bye.